This is Dotonbori, another area in Osaka, very famous for a lot of the neon light shops here at night. They all get lit up and a lot of people come here to shop and also to eat street food. It's quite busy here at the moment, lunchtime. I like how they've got all the street food stalls along here, guys. And just seats here and just order what food you want. Various street foods, and it's under shelter, so if it rains you will stay dry. More street food. It's like a street food heaven. More street food down there. More street food down there. And more street food down there. Dotonbori in Namba area. Check out that huge Ferris wheel. That is massive. Looks like about 50 pods. So this river here is the Dōtonbori River, and it extends all the way around the city. But I like how they've got all the shops dotted along the edges of this river on either side, which is quite awesome. I think it's great. Many different food places here, guys. Black baking soda for the face. I know they have a lot of stuff for the face around here. They love facial stuff. I say that constructively, not humorously. Momo puri. What did I tell you? Facial. Alright, let's try some of these, guys. Fluffy bread, crispy. Okay. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Put money here. Okay, thank you. It's hot. Okay, okay. Alright, guys, let's try this. Let's try this out right now. What is it called? Melon pan. Freshly baked melon pan. I think it's got melon in the bread itself. It tastes kind of fruity. Melony. It's about 200 yen, which is about $3. Very fruity. Some kind of fruit bread. Now this is something to try if you ever come here to Osaka or even to Kobe. I'm not a meat eater, I'm a pescatarian, but Kobe beef apparently is #1 beef here in Japan. And they've got all sorts here on the menu, with rice and veggies and even with noodles and egg. Just take your pick and then finish it off with a draft beer. Alright guys, we're going to try some takoyaki. Takoyaki is a mix of octopus and vegetables, and they put them into balls which you eat. We're going to try them out, see what they taste like. 5 pieces for 420 yen. Takoyaki. Okay. Alright, let's do. He's putting on some kind of garnish. Yeah. Looks like a bit of mayo and some bits and pieces. Alright. Okay. Alright, we will try it in here. Alright guys, we're going to try a bit of this takoyaki. The filling is really hot, so got to be careful. This is it here. Takoyaki, you can see it. Like a ball. See what it tastes like, eh? Very delicious. Definitely taste the octopus in there and the vegetables. And he's got it in some kind of like seafood type chowder. It's really smooth tasting, like custard, but not sweet. It's really savory. And the octopus is just very chewy, but not rubbery chewy. It's chewy enough so that you can actually process it really quick in your teeth. Let's go for another one. Delicious. Very delicious. Especially the sauce. Sauce is kind of creamy with vegetables, and the outside is kind of crispy. It's cooked the outside really crispy-ish. Alright guys, that was awesome takoyaki. Time to head on back out on the street and check out more of the street vibes here. Wow, check out all the neon lights guys. Reminds me of Mongkok in Hong Kong. This place is jammed. Tourists, locals. Bit of a line for this restaurant. Wonder what they're selling in there. Not the Japanese Chucky. This guy. And this place is packed, people. Jammed. A lot of shoppers come in here. Tourists, locals. This kind of reminds me of the Times Square of New York. With all the fake advertising. Guys, check out all the droves of people. I'm not sure if you can see them. It's like droves and droves of people shopping. My goodness me, they look like ants. Alright guys, we are at Tsutsenkaku Tower. It's the big massive Hitachi Tower you can see right there. One of the tallest points here in Osaka. And it's lined up with streets underneath it, full of restaurants, street food, and neon lights. Wow, check out the artwork right underneath the Tsutsenkaku Tower, guys. Alright guys, it's been an awesome day today. We've checked out a few places around Osaka. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.